My name is Dr. Wheelwright. I'm a chiropractor in Haverhill, Massachusetts. I want to take just a few minutes and talk to you about fibromyalgia, specifically what it is, what causes it, and how we treat it in our office. So what causes fibromyalgia? I think the major cause is stress, and that can be subdivided into three categories: chemical, emotional, and physical stresses. Stress can have an extreme impact neurologically. It actually affects the normal pathways of the brain. Most people don't know what their treatment options are when it comes to treating fibromyalgia. They think they need to take medication or some other aggressive and potentially damaging form of therapy in order for them to get better. And many of the physicians that treat this disease are treating the symptoms and not necessarily the underlying causes. And those medications may have potentially damaging, long-term side effects. One of the things that we look for in the office, and we do specific neurological tests, is to find out if these neurological pathways are functioning correctly, because if they're not, we need to implement certain therapies in order to increase brain activity and reestablish these normal pathways. If you've got fibromyalgia and you have an inability, say, to sleep and an inability to concentrate, so they've been giving you medications for, to be able to sleep, and anti-anxiety medications to address that, which are basically symptoms, but they've missed the boat when it comes to maybe finding out that you've got something that you're eating that's causing an immune response, which is causing an alarm reaction, which in turn causes an adrenal response, and which in turn can cause your inability to sleep. When you understand it, how one thing affects the other thing affects the other thing, then you can really get to the bottom of your disease and why you've got it and how we're going to treat it. And it's typically not by just giving you a drug or a medication for the symptoms, because there's always a trigger, and if we miss the trigger, you miss the boat, because you'll never get better. What I want to get across on this video is, if you've got fibromyalgia, if you've got these type of symptoms, and you're really fed up, you're tired of where you've been, you're tired of taking the medications, you're tired of doctors telling you you're crazy, you're tired of them sending you over to the pain clinic because there's nothing else that they can do for you and they've given up on you. If you're tired of that, then it's time to switch gears, to give the office a call. I'll sit down, I'll talk to you, I'll give you my honest opinion if I think it's something that I can help you with. The office number is 978-521-2225.